Hey guys, welcome to the Top Percentile YouTube channel. My name is Vidhan, and today I'm making this video just for a small announcement. There's a notice on the JBIMS website, and it says that the candidates who are interested for MSc Finance, uh, the application form date has been extended till 14th July, which is Tuesday till 12 noon, and it's there on the website itself. And similarly, it's happening for MHRD as well. So if you have a look at the website, and if you just go back here, you'll be seeing all the notices. And if you click on the MHRD admissions, you'll again see here that it's a similar notice which says that the form has been extended till 14th July. So guys, there were many students who were asking us for clarity on MHRD, MSc Finance, and probably this extension would give them more time to think about it, if MSc Finance or MHRD is the right fit for them. And guys, इसी के वजह से because a lot of students are asking me this question, I have also released a video yesterday which is which helps you choose between MSc Finance and MHRD. एंड ऑल्सो अगर ये दोनों में भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आपको क्या करना चाहिए. सो दैट वीडियो इफ यू हैव अ लुक एंड टू एंड इट वुड रियली हेल्प यू मेक अ डिसीजन. So check that and don't miss this opportunity if you're genuinely interested in finance or HR field. And JVMS is one of the best colleges that you can get into for these programs. And these two are very focused programs because unlike MMS, जिसमें first year common होता है, in this you'll be taught about finance and HR right from the start. So full 2 years you'd be doing this, and also very limited number of seats. 30 40 students होते हैं in every program, MHRD and MSc Finance. So a lot of focus is on the students, all the professionals, the industry experts who visit JBIMS to give lectures, to teach you certain subjects would be giving you a lot of attention because there are very limited number of students in each batch. So think about this. You've got more time to fill the form, apply for it, experience the process. If you have any doubt, you can talk to us, you can text us, you can call us on the number which is there in the description. And also, there's a GDPR bootcamp that we have as an offering on our website where students who have actually done MHRD and MSc Finance would be teaching you all, and it's a one-stop solution for the whole process. You'll be taught how to uh, uh, get into the PI session, how to talk into, how to answer the questions in the PIs, the GDs, the writing ability test, everything, and of course taught by the ones who have actually gone through the process. So if you're interested, just call us on the number or just visit our website and you will have all the information. Thank you so much, guys.